Did you know in 2014, in the movie Interstellar, the director hid a specific detail in the background music?
What?
When we jump into the scene where they land on Miller, the planet with shallow water all over its surface, listen to the background music, specifically to the faint ticking noise. The ticking is precisely at every 1.25 seconds, and it is explained early in the film that 1 hour that passes on Miller is equivalent to 7 years on Earth. So every time you hear the ticking noise, a whole day passes on Earth. If I was on that trip to Miller, this might be my significant other half when I returned.
It's been 84 years.